Hi, my name is Makim Daniel B. Bartolome. I'm from BSHM 3A and I'm here to discuss my reflection on Operation Management Chapter 6 to Chapter 12. Chapter 6, Food and Beverage Division. The importance of aligning the F&B division's objectives with overall organizational goals and adapting to evolving market trends is highlighted. Through this chapter, readers gain a comprehensive understanding of how effective F&B management contributes to the success and reputation of tourism and hospitality establishments. This reflection deepens appreciation for the meticulous planning and coordination required in food and beverage operations, emphasizing its role in shaping guest experiences and sustaining competitive advantage in the industry. Chapter 7, Quality Management and Control. This section underscores the importance of consistent service quality in creating memorable customer experiences. Implementing standards and continuous improvement processes is vital for maintaining a competitive edge. Chapter 8, Budget. Budgeting is presented as a fundamental tool for financial planning and resource allocation. Effective budget management ensures that operations remain sustainable while meeting organizational goals. Lesson 9, Productivity. Productivity in tourism and hospitality is highlighted as a balance between optimizing resources and maintaining high service standards, emphasizing employee training and technology integration is crucial for operational efficiency. Lesson 10, Efficiency and Effectiveness, or Chapter 10, Efficiency and Effectiveness. This lesson differentiate the concepts of doing things right efficiency versus doing the right things effectiveness, showcasing how both are essential in delivering value to customers while achieving business objectives. Chapter 11, Supply Chain Operation. Managing chains in the hospitality sectors involves ensuring timely availability of goods and services, maintaining quality, and reducing costs, all of which are critical for customer satisfaction. Lesson or, or Chapter 12, Sales Performance. The focus on sales performance highlights the role of marketing and customer relationship management in driving revenue. Aligning sales strategies with customer preferences ensures sustained business growth. These lessons underscored the critical importance of quality management, budgeting, productivity, efficiency, supply chain optimization, and self-performance. Effective operational management in tourism and hospitality requires balancing competing demands, prioritizing customer satisfaction, and leveraging technology. By integration these principles, hospitality professional can create seamless, memorable experience, drive revenue growth, and maintain competitiveness in a rapidly evolving industry.